It's day 18 and I have made so many cookies and I've eaten so many cookies. And today you get to see me decorating them and making the boxes that I use to deliver them. I'm cutting a file from my Silhouette Cameo after I hand write each teacher's name on it and tape in a clear acetane little screen cover. And then I assemble 14 boxes. Anyways, it turned out super cute, but I don't know if it was worth all of this work. Oh yeah, also, hidden in this video is a secret word scramble. It'll pop up on the top left side and unscramble the word and comment it down below. The first person that comments will get to pick the next video's scrambled word. I also hand make the sugar frosting and decorate each cookie, which I've wanted to do for a while, and I've researched sugar cookie decorating for about 2 weeks straight to do this video, and they surprisingly turned out really well and they taste delicious. So it was worth it, I guess. I learned something, which is what I like to do. So I challenge you, what are you going to learn this week? And what can you apply to your life by learning something new? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my cookie decorating vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow in day 19 of Vlogmas 2023. Oh, P.S. If you'd like this cut file, you can grab it over on my Patreon. It is a little bit small, but you can cut it out on an easy 8.5 by 11 sheet, which is what I wanted. I didn't want to use a 12 by 12, so it works great for like 2-inch cookies. So go grab it. Or you can fill it up with, like, I don't know, other things. Okay, bye.